welcome back. Today, we're diving into a question that thousands of contractors and heavy equipment operators across the United States are asking in 2026. Should you lease or buy the brand new John Deere 385K backhoe loader? If you've had your eye on this powerhouse of a machine, you already know it's not just another tool. This is a serious investment. So let's break it down and figure out which option makes the most financial sense for you. The 2026 John Deere 385K is built for performance, reliability, and efficiency. With a turbocharged diesel engine delivering 140 horsepower and a maximum digging depth of 17 feet, this machine is engineered for heavy-duty projects. Whether you're trenching, loading, backfilling, or lifting, the 385K delivers with precision and muscle. But the question remains, should you commit to full ownership, or is leasing the smarter route? Let's start by talking numbers. To purchase the 385K outright in 2026, you're looking at a price tag of approximately $155,000. That's a steep investment for most small to mid-sized contractors. On top of the purchase price, you'll also be responsible for insurance, maintenance, and potential financing interest if you're taking out a loan. Monthly loan payments for a 5-year term at 6% interest could come to around $2,990. Add in an estimated $400 per month for maintenance and another $150 for insurance, and you're spending about $3,540 each month. Now let's compare that to leasing. A typical lease agreement for a brand new 385K runs around $2,200 to $2,400 per month, depending on your location and lease terms. Most leases also include basic maintenance, which can save you both money and downtime. Insurance still applies, but your total monthly cost will likely stay below $2,600. That's nearly $1,000 in monthly savings compared to buying. But it's not just about monthly payments. Leasing gives you access to newer equipment every few years, which means fewer breakdowns and less risk of running outdated machinery. You're not tying up large amounts of capital, which frees up cash flow for payroll, fuel, or other operational needs. Leasing is especially attractive if your projects vary seasonally or you want the flexibility to upgrade frequently. However, buying comes with its own long-term advantages. Once your loan is paid off, the machine is yours. No more payments, and you've built equity. If you plan to use the 385K consistently for the next 8 to 10 years, buying can be the more economical choice over time. Additionally, the resale value of a well-maintained John Deere holds up incredibly well. After 5 years, you can expect to recover 50% to 60% of your initial cost, depending on hours and condition. Let's look at return on investment. If you lease the 385K for 3 years, you'll spend roughly $90,000 and return the machine with no ownership. But if you buy, you'll spend around $127,000 over the same period when you include maintenance and interest. However, after 3 years, your machine may still be worth $85,000, bringing your net cost closer to $42,000, less than half the cost of leasing. Still, not every contractor wants to deal with selling equipment or tracking resale markets. Leasing eliminates that burden. Plus, in many states, lease payments are fully deductible as business expenses, which can mean tax advantages. Buying also provides depreciation benefits under Section 179, but it depends on how your business is structured and how aggressively you're leveraging deductions. Another point to consider is utilization. If you're running the 385K 5 or 6 days a week on active job sites, buying makes more sense. But if you only need it for seasonal work or specific contracts, leasing lets you scale up and down with your workload. That flexibility is often the deciding factor for smaller operators. Technology is also evolving fast. The 2026 model comes with advanced telematics, fuel efficiency optimization, and upgraded hydraulic systems. Leasing ensures you're always on the cutting edge. When you buy, you commit to the tech of that year, and it may fall behind in just a few seasons. For some buyers, staying up to date is crucial for staying competitive. At the end of the day, it all comes down to your business model. If you prioritize ownership, long-term value, and consistent usage, buying the 385K might be the right move. But if flexibility, lower upfront costs, and always having the latest tech is your style, leasing wins the game. No matter what path you choose, the John Deere 385K is a top-tier investment in 2026. Its performance, durability, and brand reputation make it one of the smartest choices for any serious contractor. Thanks for watching, and let us know in the comments. Would you lease or buy the 385K in 2026?